Hello guys, it's Mead here, and today in this video I'm going to be running you through how to download your keywords from your Google ad campaigns. So here I am inside of Google Ads. Now what we're going to do is we've got to find what keywords we want to download first. So here I am inside this campaign, and for example if I want to download all the keywords from this campaign, I'm going to head straight to the keywords area, and here are all the keywords for this campaign. And if we want to download them, it's actually really easy to do. People think they need to select it, but you don't. What you need to do is go straight to the top right hand side corner and hit download. Now this gives you a few options. You can download in a range of formats from Google Ads. We can even put it into a Google Sheet, or we can download it in a heap of other options. For example, we can choose a PDF format, and that will start to prepare the report. It takes a few minutes just to prepare and then download, because it does compile a fair bit of data. Or if we want, we can download and we could put into a Google Sheet, for example, and we can call it that, and then that will start preparing there. Let's have a look at this PDF. Here it is, and you can see that this has got all the keywords from the campaign. It's actually 52 pages long, so it's quite big. Now, say for example, we want to refine our keywords and just take a ad group. We can click on an ad group and then download a report for that ad group's keywords. So let's have a look at this. Let's have a look and just click download, and let's have a look at this Google Sheet version. So this is a really handy thing to do if you're just going to share it within your organization and you don't want to create an Excel sheet and download it and email it. This can be a bit easier, and you can see all the keywords are in here in the column B, and it even gives you a fair bit of information about the type of keyword, how they performed, and what their status is currently. So this is a really cool way to download and share your keywords, and you also might want to use this if you're trying to transfer your campaign to another platform, for example. Now keep in mind, we can actually adjust the column here and adjust how everything appears and then save it, and this will change the end result inside the report when we download it. So I recommend the first thing you do before you download your report is actually adjust your columns so they make sense. In my case, I don't need to have the status or the match type. Actually, I'll keep that. I mainly want to have the clicks, impressions, click-through rate, and this data here. I'm not so interested in other stuff. So it's worth noting that you can actually adjust the columns before you download it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, leave a comment below with what you wanted me to talk about next, and I'll get to that. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day. Cheers.